Hello. I'm sorry if you get some really weird things here, but I am working at the most peculiar angle. This is my... Oh, sorry, didn't mean to knock the camera. Here's my latest offering. This was a piece of material that I picked up, I think, at Ardingly Antiques Fair. I've had it for ages and suddenly found a use for it. This clasp, and it opens. And this journal is meant to go in there, but it's easier to demonstrate without that in it. So it's a bit of a lap book, to say the least. Sort of grew like they do. It's ready for... It's got some ephemera in it, but it's really made for somebody to put their own bits and pieces in it. There's a little nick there. I'm not going to pull out all the stamped things because otherwise it'll take forever. But as you can see, it opens out. It's this delicious lady. And of course it goes back that way. Lots of pockets, lots of places to tuck things. A real letter keeper, really, secrets keeper. And then we move over to the other side. A bit of Tim Holtz there into a file folder. The inspirations for these are so many. You know how many wonderful people that there are working on journals. I can't start to list them all on this, but I'll try, if I put this up, I'll try to put the names of my favourite people in the comments below. There's a little booklet there. I do like lots of little booklets. This goes this way. And this way. I didn't want it to have any particular theme. And the little journal just slots in the middle so that you can change it for any kind of notebook or sketchbook or whatever you would require. Goes in there like that, goes in there like that. And with a bit of a fiddle, it closes up like that. There you go. Thank you.